Matt, where are we about to go?
Talladega, baby.
Yeah, we're going to Talladega, so this is the beginning of it. Yeehaw. Bush.
Yes, sir. Which underdog, if you had to pick one, would win today?
Underdog. Okay. Well, you know, we were thinking today in our Motor Racing Network meeting, we were looking at our top guys for the championship, and then our producer Ryan Horn said, well, who might be somebody that we're not even thinking about that's got an opportunity to win this race? And I went right back and I looked at one of Richard Childress's cars. He always brings big horsepower here. He's always got super fast cars. And I went back in the field a little bit and I saw the number 8 car at Daniel Hemrick. And that car is a fast car here at Talladega. The other guy I looked at was Michael McDowell, the number 34 Ford. He's ran really strong in these restrictor plate races. So don't be surprised when it's all said and done. You see those two guys.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Matthew. Take notes, Jerry Jones. Good grief. Show you guys. What a god. That's Joey Gase. What a guy. We got some rain process going on. We got some rains. So. Woo! Woo! Woo!
At this time, we ask that you please direct your attention to the ISM.
About to try Talladega dog.
I had the privilege of
Big
being
hot
here for
dog.
the first race in 1969. This is the 50th anniversary of this important facility, and we took
feel
time
really
in
soft.
Congress to pass a congressional record.
36th day, and the fan memories at Richmond Raceway Toyota. Please welcome Joey Gase.
Yeah, Joey Gase! Woo!
Liberty National, RCR Chevrolet, Daniel Henry.
Look at Joey Gase. What a guy. What a guy. That's my goat right there.
Our 28 starter will climb into the Beer Oil Distributing South Point.
You guys wish they were doing it. Oh yeah, Paul Menard. Oh yeah.
Night Vision Chevrolet. He won here in the spring.
Oh yeah.
Chase Elliott.
Yeah!
Safe to say, I think he's the most popular.
Top 5 coolest moments in life right here.
Talladega Super Speedway. Well, this is going to be big. The stops are going to come with 18 laps to go.
Matt, screen! Clyde! Clyde!
Motorsports 1, 2, 3, and 4, and all those drivers occupy the inside line. Battles on behind them for fifth. Here's where Brad Keselowski's trying to get alongside Eric Almirola. Looks like Keselowski did a little help from Clint Boyer there, working that second outside lane. They draw up alongside William Byron. Keselowski and Byron fighting out for fourth, but it's Chase Elliott.
Now here comes the Thunder working back off turn number 4. Didn't take long for team orders to come into play as the Hendrick Chevrolet form up that
Miller right for Mustang. Green flag back in the air. Eric Fords up front. The first interloper is the Toyota of Eric Jones. Kyle Busch and Denny Hamlin are there as well. So they've got to get around all these Fords. And the Ford of Ryan Newman now is looking for the lead. Ryan Newman has a pretty good run coming into turns 3 and 4. But now Brad Keselowski retakes the lead from Newman. They're side by side on the field.
And Ryan Newman was one of those drivers that stayed in the back of the pack with Martin Truex Jr. kind of having that thing out. But that's 14 laps to go.
Talladega Super Speedway, Dan Hubbard, they're racing hard for the lead. There was 2 Chevrolets and a Ford, 3 wide from the top spot. New leader of Talladega Super Speedway with Kurt Busch and hot pursuit. 3 wide racing about 8 rows deep here at the Talladega Super Speedway. Chase Elliott emerges from the
at the front of the field, Talladega. Roman thought about making it 4 wide, now tucks it behind Byron. Again, the 3 wide. He does it. Henrik and Byron. We talked earlier about these opportunity races and some of these dark horses we've been looking at. Dale Earnhardt was one of those guys who's been leading for a while now. There'll be 1 lap to go here at stage number 1. Side by side. Just a little bit. He has got the lead with that. Let's go right behind him at Joey Logano. He is passing that bicycle as fast as he can, but he cannot catch it. Now back to the tri-oval, the green and white checkered flag.
William Byron!
Start finish line. William Byron is out front. Logano.
Unfortunately, today's part of the race was cut short due to rain, but we did get some exciting action, so I'm going to show that to you. We saw Joey Gase, new GOAT. What a guy. He waved at us. I was the only one that recognized him. I yelled, "Yeah, Joey Gase," and he waved at me. So that was a cool moment. But I only got him signing some kid's hat from a distance. What else happened? William Byron won stage 1. I finally saw the 24 in victory lane, or win a something. But hopefully he can hold on. That'd be cool to see the 24 win. We saw Dale Earnhardt's 3 return to the track. That was really cool. We saw the 18-wheeler on the national anthem. That was cool as well. Some good pack racing. Some really slow lap cars. I'm telling you, that 52 car and that 27, they were getting lapped over and over again, which is not expected. They lost the draft, and they were pretty much screwed after that. No big playoff implications. Blaney missed pit road. He spun out. Anything else that you can think of?
Planes.
Planes. Oh, yeah, there were some cool planes that flew over us. Some guys honking.
This guy cooking his chicken in the middle of the rain.
Yeah, some guys cooking chicken in the middle of the rain. There's some interesting people here. But we'll be back at it tomorrow with a race winner and some more stuff. We got to go into the garage. The new garage experience is amazing. Talladega knocked it out of the park. Okay, we're going to cut it off. This alarm is annoying me.